Hey champs, today we are going to learn create API and CRUD operation in Node.js with Express.js. So now let's dive into the code. So we have already a module book and users. We have two modules. So I just going to here. So I made it as master controller. Okay, create, read and update, delete and list also adding here. So it's taking more than 10 to 15 minutes. Just create once, and after once you have created, you just make copy and paste. Now I can show you how to make copy and paste it. So first, this is a controller. So model.create, model.find one and model.find update one. First update one and the find one updated value to send in the API, and this is delete one, so you can delete this record in here. And same as model has just two fields, and the router has 5 routes. So now you can just copy this folder and paste it again and rename it. Now you can check how fast we can create CRUD in Node.js. Okay, so now I can make it post or rename it posts. Now controller, no need to change anything in controller because I made it master C controller, and same as model, master model schema. Okay, now you can just title, description and any other things like tags, type, string. Okay, now go to the route. No need to change anything in route because route has master controller, create, read, update, delete, list, and route has unique route has also a router. Okay, model has master model, controller has master model, and route has also master route. Okay, now you just go to the postman and just duplicate and rename it as post. You can see how easy to create CRUD operation. Now just you can change as post, 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 and post. And now we need to change things, add route in our global routes file. Okay, now copy paste, mostly copy paste, post, and now copy, and here is post route. Just go here. Now you can see how easy to implement this. So we have title, description, tags. So now you can add tag as 1, 2 like this, and this is description, this is title. Now you can hit override OK. You need to change this name is also post. Now the post has been created. Now you can read it. Okay, now update. So how easy to make CRUD in Node.js. So friends, if you like this, if you enjoy this, you like this video, and subscribe this channel and make sure hit the bell icon so you will get notification this type of videos. Okay, now create three. Now you can see the updated. So how easy to make CRUD operation and create, read, update, delete API, and even you can create many any other APIs also. It's very easy. And now going to delete section, body, and add this. Okay, post, delete some. Okay, now something is change here. Okay, I made it as delete. Now it's 1. Delete count is 1 and acknowledge true. So you can make check if acknowledge is true, your delete count 1. And now going to here to checklist. Okay, I just one created and delete that, so list will blank. Now you can see the list, and now you can add another one. So you can see 2, 4. Now you can see the list. You can check 2 item here. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified when I upload the video. Thank you very much for watching.